Hi, I'm Paul, your digital mage at CSP Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and manage a static website with Press Mage. Let's get started. I created a static website here called Nebula 9, and this is the one I'm going to deploy. All I did was work in Visual Studio Code, created an Astro site for this, and this is relatively easy to manage once it's there. I'm going to go into Press Mage, and I've created and provisioned a site for Nebula 9, and I'm going to open that up. And you have three ways that you can deploy source code. And you can do it through uploading a zip file, which will take everything in the zip and stick it in the root of the site's space, or you can use GitHub or Bitbucket. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use GitHub, and I'm going to utilize my repository, CSP Geeks Nebula. The production branch is main, so that's fine. And let me copy my GitHub token in here. And once I do that, I can click on Connect to GitHub. And as you can see, I'm now fully connected to GitHub. Branch is correct. And as you can see right here, it says plain HTML. But as I mentioned, this is an Astro site. So I need to build it when I upload or when I add a new commit to the main branch. I'm going to have this deploy automatically on push, which means the second I update the main branch with a new commit, it is going to take and build that and deploy it to the server. So now that I've chosen Astro, I'm going to leave everything else as it is, and I'm going to save settings. And now that I have those saved, I'm going to go back to my site. And to make this faster, I've already committed it locally. And basically all I'm going to do is push this to origin so that we get a new commit on the main branch. And now we can go back over here, and if I refresh the page, you can see now that that commit has caused a release to start. So right now it's building, and as soon as it's done building, it'll start copying the files up to the server. Just to show you, if I go to site 57 right now, it's 404 because I haven't uploaded any files yet. So this is still running down here. It will update. So as you can see, it's uploading to the CDN now. If you want to see what happened before it started uploading files, you can come here to View Log. And under View Log, it'll show you building the files from your repository, and everything happens. So if there's any issues building your application, you'll see them in this log, and you can contact CSP Geeks and we'll help you figure out what's going on. But this gives you a good idea of what happened during the build and if there were any issues. And if we keep going, we can see now that our site is live, which means if we now come back over to where we had a 404 and we do a refresh on the page, you can now see that that static site has been loaded. It's that easy to load your static sites. I tell you, they're very fast. They're running on a global CDN. They're quick to build, and they're cheaper than putting out a WordPress site. So you really should take a look at what we offer for static sites. And if you have any questions, please contact us and let us know. Thank you for spending your time today. Bye.
This is your digital mage. How can I help you?